Hi everyone, for today's idea we need a caliper, a core, a piece of metal, a horn key and a ruler. We fix the caliper on 2 cm and draw a square on the middle. Put a mark at the intersection of lines using a core. Now we set the caliper on 0.5 cm and draw a circle with a center at the marked point. Mark the circles the way I do. Set the caliper to 1 cm and draw circles with the centers in 2 opposite new serifs. Use a ruler to draw a line through the first mark as I do. Use the core to mark the new intersections of the line and circles. We will also make additional place marks on the circle. Here's what we got. Now we take a thick drill on the middle, fix the blank in a vise, and make holes in our marks. Let's take blank out of the vise and see what we got. Now process the metal from the burrs on the belt sander. Using a chisel, we will mark the places of the new sections between the holes. We'll make a hole in the center of the workpiece with a large drill and knocks out the remaining excess part. Here's what we got. We clamp the workpiece in a vise and process it from the burrs. Draw the marks on the blank using a ruler. We cut the billet on them and process the edges. With the help of the grinding machine, we give the desired shape. Putting a mark on the key, try it onto our billet and use the grinder to cut off the excess. Now we will sand the cutoff point. We put a mark on the handle of the key and drill a hole for mounting. We put a mark on the blank and drill a hole of the same size. Clamp the key in a vise and use the grinder to form a thread on the ground edge. This is what we got. Now we connect both blanks with a bolt and a screw nut, and a second screw nut for better fixation. The head of the resulting key should move freely relative to the handle. Now let's try what our homemade key can do. Take an old painted piece of pipe and clamp it in a vise. Fix the key on the connecting nut, perfectly unscrewed. By turning the key over, we can also easily tighten the nut. Do the same with the nut from the big bolt. This universal key can handle any, even the most non-standard nut. If you are interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.